Hi, I'm Dan Culler. I'm CEO at Avistone. We're a real estate investment company that maximizes yield and capital appreciation for our investors. Avistone's investment strategy is to buy right, manage effectively, create value, and sell opportunistically. Avistone's buy right strategy is to purchase in growing and dynamic markets with strong economic drivers, buy below replacement cost, and buy properties with below market rents and rate. Our buy right strategy for flex industrial properties is to buy properties with at least 10 tenants and no tenant occupying more than 20% of the space. This provides excellent diversification in tenancy. Our strategy for hotels is to buy strong brands such as Hilton, Marriott, and Hyatt, and to buy at pricing well below 2019 pre-pandemic pricing. We create value for our investors by implementing a capital improvement plan. We rebrand and reposition the properties, and we increase NOI or net operating income through effective management. We've assembled an expert management team with decades of experience. We focus on tenant, guest, and employee satisfaction, and we focus on operating the property cost effectively. We manage our flex industrial properties effectively by having in-house management using our own employees and located on-site at the properties. This helps to develop better relationships with the tenants. We also provide consistent communication, and we focus on increasing NOI and property value. We manage our hotels effectively by partnering with best-in-class third-party operators. We have an in-house team experienced in hotel management, and we focus on cost control and maximizing net operating income. We sell opportunistically by targeting a 3 to 5 year hold for our properties. We sell once we hit our 5-year projection, or when market conditions dictate. In any event, we strive to maximize returns to our investors. This strategy has been very effective. Since our founding, Avistone has acquired 26 properties totaling $340 million. We've sold 23 of those properties and 19 to one institutional investor. Ultimately, it has allowed us to deliver a 16% internal rate of return to our investors.
Are you interested in real estate investment funds that generate income and capital appreciation? Contact us to learn more about our strategic investment funds.